Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on.
I've literally been wearing this back brace like 2 days now. You know, I'm trying to get my posture right, so I've been wearing this. It's been growing, it really has.
Oh my gosh, my manners. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Joineeliyah. Thank you for clicking on this video and I hope you guys enjoy it.
I may just go ahead and cut a chunk off of this, you know, just like a little piece. Just get a little chunk. That's the good thing about African black soap. You can literally see this whole bar will last you for a good bit. Don't use the whole thing. A lot of people make the mistake of using the whole thing, but just cut out pieces of it and you're gonna like the difference. So
I'll be going in with this African black soap to start off my face routine. I always use this pretty much every day and every night as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and massage that all in my face. And then after that, I'm gonna take my Revlon face brush. Now I'll be going in with my Ordinary serum and also my Hey Bud hemp clay mask. Yes, this mask does have hemp in it. Plus it's vegan and it has all natural products as well. Oh yeah, and by the way, this brush also came with the mask as well, so. Alright, so now that we have the mask on our face, it looks really nice. I did the application pretty nice. Alright, so then I put on my bonnet. Bruh. I mean, it's still cute, but I may just go ahead and get my shower cap and let's see how that looks like. Okay. Bruh. Honestly, putting my hair in a bun really helped it stay on, so don't even like. Now this body wash is more of a thicker consistency, but that makes sense because it really does hydrate your skin and really moisturizes it as well.
I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me.
So this is a new product I'm trying, and this body polish is actually really nice and it smells so good, guys, like honestly. I'll be taking my loofah and I'm going to put some more of that Dove body moisturizing freaking stuff on my body, because that stuff is so amazing. So I'm going to go ahead and do a second pass through on my body with the loofah. Alright, so now I'm going to use my feminine wash, but that's going to be off camera, so I'll be right back. Now this perfume right here is one of my favorites. Okay guys, like this will not fail you. This smells super good. That's Givenchy by that's Irresistible by Givenchy. And then I'll take some of my Vaseline Ultra Healing Lotion. Now the secret is to apply your favorite oil to your lotion as well, and that's going to give your skin an extra barrier of protection and hydration. Okay, next I'll be using my Ava Estelle Magix Cream. This is also a vegan product. Another great thing is it is black owned as well. So I only use it on my knees, elbows, and anywhere else where I have dark spots, because this cream is a lightener and a brightener. So it's gonna brighten up those dark spots on your skin. It can be your face, anywhere on your body.
Your boy got the full body do-rag out.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shoe.
Now I'll be going in with my Black Girl sunscreen, because you know you do have to apply sunscreen at least 2 times a day. I started doing this like last week because I just now found this out just like you. So hey, what's up? But yeah, just do that like 2 times a day.
I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you not enough, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna.
Since I have braces, I can't really use a regular flosser, so I do use a water floss. I'm going to refill it with some water. So this piece right here is what I'm going to be using to floss in between my teeth. Okay, so I tried to find my other flossers for braces, but I couldn't find it, so I have to use these. Ugh. I'll be taking my favorite mouthwash. This is probably the best mouthwash you could ever get, in the Listerine, of course, but this is probably the second one on top. Alright, so if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. Be sure y'all do hit that like button if you did enjoy the content. Also subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.